Guys, this is one of those boat maintenance products I bought that a lot of people don't think about. It's an electrostatic sprayer that allows me to use a product I found online. Goes into the bottom here. I can spray all of my hatches, the interior, up underneath the gunnels and stuff, and it prevents mold and mildew from growing. Also, it is a agent that kills flu, cold, and even COVID virus. So it allows me to sanitize my boat completely after every charter, just for that little added prevention in people's mind. Easy to use, cordless, and I'll do a little operation video.